Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. You wanna meet her. Quickie meals you can all enjoy at home. I can sense that you hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, it's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making pepperoni pizza bread. The ingredients that we're going to need today are flaky jumbo biscuits, pizza sauce, grated parmesan cheese, Italian seasoning, crushed red pepper flakes, that's optional, garlic powder, pepperoni, and also mozzarella cheese. Okay guys, I have all my ingredients measured out. So we're going to need 6 ounces of pepperoni, 1 cup of grated parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, that's optional, 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, and we're going to be using 2 cans of the flaky layer biscuits, and you want to cut them into 4. After you cut both cans of your biscuits, you want to place them into a large bowl. You can set your oven at 325 degrees. Now we're going to begin to add in our grated Parmesan cheese, our Italian seasoning, garlic powder, our red pepper flakes, our 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, and also our pepperoni. Once you have all your ingredients in your bowl, we're just going to go in and mix everything until it's well combined. Now you want to get a bundt pan and spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. After you're done spraying your bundt pan, now we're going to put our biscuit and pepperoni and cheese mixture in. Now you can place it in your oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, so our pepperoni pizza bread is done. We'll let it cool off just for a little bit. Okay guys, so look how beautiful this came out. Nice and crispy. Guys, this is good for game day. You know it's football season, so this is a nice quick meal that you can make. And all I did was heat up my pizza sauce and put it in a bowl. Okay guys, so I had pulled it apart right here. You can see it's filled with pepperoni and cheese. It tastes really good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?